Hi friends, so in the previous lecture we have learned about continuous testing, although it is on third phase of the life cycle. So basically what happens, so after continuous development it is go to continuous integration and then it comes to continuous testing. But I wanted to discuss continuous integration, what which is the second life cycle, and continuous development in at the same time. Okay, so that's why I discussed continuous testing earlier than the continuous integration. Okay, so in this lecture let's understand the continuous integration. Okay, so suppose there are bunch of developer working on their own code and they are working on a single repository they have pulled there, and also the repository is connected to SCM in there, right? Now these developer are writing the code and they are having different set of branches and they are merging them to a single branch. Okay, so they are merging them to the single branch. Now this functionality or this process is called continuous integration. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Now let's understand with the help of theoretical example. So continuous integration is a DevOps software development practice where developers regularly merge their code changes into a single central repository. Okay, after which automated build and test are run. So after continuous integration, continuous testing phase comes into the play. But we have discussed it earlier. Okay. Continuous integration most often refers to the build or integration stage of the software release process and entails both an automation component, example a CI or build service. Okay, and a cultural component, example learning to integrate frequently. Okay, so whatever the feature they are working on, they are integrating those all of these in the single repository. The key goal of a continuous integration are to find and address bugs quicker, improve software quality, and reduce the time it takes to validate and release new software update. Okay, so how it works, so suppose if there are only one developer and he's working on the code, now it is being deployed. Okay, it is now merged to the single repository. Okay, right? Now the next developer comes and once he will write the code, and suppose if it is conflicting to the single repository, so what it will do, it will create a merge conflict, right? So that will create the issue and it will take time to resolve that conflict. So how it works in there, so at the same time multiple developers are writing the code on the same line or the same different branches, but yeah, of course they are going to merge it to a main branch. So whatever they are writing, they can write the small piece of code on their own and they can merge into the single streamline. If there are any conflicts in there, they will talk to each other and they will resolve it and they will merge that particular feature to the central repository. Okay, so that's how the continuous integration works. So we will learn about these tools also in the later section. So that's it for the continuous integration, CI. In the next lecture we will learn about CD, which is sometimes also referred as a continuous deployment or continuous delivery. Okay, so till then, take care.